am here with Dr. Furia, a pediatrician in Pompano Beach, Florida, and we've got a few questions we're going to ask him. The first question is, what type of foods benefit a baby under the age of 2, and what should they be eating daily?
Okay, foods that babies usually get, the best feeding to start off when they're born is going to be breast milk. There's no doubt about that. It gives them the benefits up to at least 6 months of age, okay, and it's the most natural substance for them. If there is a substitute for it, the only thing would be a formula that's of recognized name that would help them. At 4 months of age, as babies get older, okay, they develop a need to have extra food between 4 and 6 months, and that would be going on to cereals, vegetables, fruits at that point in time. We have a specific thing that we try to avoid citrus in the fruit category because it's acidy, and we just want to keep them from getting an allergic reaction to it early on. At a year of age, you're allowed to have citrus products. At the age of 2, after they turn 6 months of age, then we move on to the other categories of foods, which include meats, starches, and also they're allowed to have certain desserts which are soft and easy to swallow. And then after they reach the age of 1, they're allowed to try the foods that are there as long as there's no reaction to them or an intolerance to them, including things like eggs and citrus, peanuts. They can have fish, chocolate, and they can also have honey. There's a specific warning about the honey because of the fact that honey does contain spores of an organism called Clostridium botulinum. And Clostridium in itself can be damaging because the babies are not able to fight off any attack from Clostridium or botulinism earlier than a year of age. So we do recommend that those children do avoid the honey. When they're at a year of age, as I said, they can try any foods as long as there's a 3-day trial period. And that 3-day trial period tells you up to even a week you can do it. Each food that's new is tried so that the child will be able to see what food is tolerated. Foods they're eating daily are just a well-balanced meal. You know, today under age of 2, you see a lot of people going for fast foods and things like that. But there are other 3 categories, okay, from eating things like some kind of a protein, eating a green or vegetable. Fruits are very important to us these days too. And there's nothing wrong with starches as long as it's done in an equal portion on a daily basis.
Sounds like they get a lot of variety. Okay.
They should get a lot of variety.
Excellent. Thank you. Thank you so much for your time and for the tips, Dr. Furia.
You're welcome.